Welcome back to ICU Reach, a platform for critical care professionals to interact, learn, teach, and stay current in their field. With a wealth of resources available on our website, we've designed a user-friendly search and filter system to help you quickly find the information you need. Let's walk through a couple of examples. Assume that you want to search for major randomized controlled trials on ARDS. First, click on the Trials tab. As you can see, you can search by any term, filter by topic, or by journal. You can even sort results alphabetically or by date. Since we're interested in ARDS, select it from the drop-down list, and voila! You now have access to all the major RCT on ARDS. If you're looking for studies on recruitment, simply type recruitment into the search field and the relevant results will appear. This versatile search engine is available across the website, allowing you to explore specific resources under the Resources tab, or presentations for supporters under the Library tab. That's all for today. I hope this was useful for you and thank you for being a part of the ICU Reach community. If you are not a member yet, join us at www.icureach.com.